Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you are watching from. Welcome to Ugandan Kitchen in another video. So today we are going to be preparing a lentil stew with ugali from semolina flour or fufu from semolina flour using semolina flour. So this is one of those very easy meals to prepare. Like you consider it within less than 30 minutes, you are good to go. You are done like 20 minutes. You are literally done with preparing the stew and also the fufu. So we are going to be using the pink lentils. These are split, they are light, and they are really easy, and they take really less time to cook compared to the rest of the other lentils. Lentils are legumes just like we have peas, just like we have the beans of the different types, and they also have types in them. We have the red ones, we have those that are split, the ones we are using today. We have the black ones, we have the green, and I think the brown ones. But the easy ones to cook and that take less time are these red lentils. So once you are done sorting them and washing them, wash them until you have clear water. Then to that you transfer them into a pan. To this I boiled some water, and then I added boiled water in them just to ease up and also to fasten the cooking process. And just like that, after washing them, you add water just slightly covering on top. These are similar to like peas, and their taste is similar to, if you are someone familiar with peas, then that is the taste you should expect from these lentils. So to that we add, you can spice up with salt, paprika, black pepper, turmeric, chumoni, garam masala, depending on what spices you would really love to taste in your lentils. And so you cover and cook that up as you also work on the ingredients you are going to use in this recipe. Feel free to use any ingredients that you would really love to go with your lentils. I decided to use like a red onion, tomato, carrot, just very simple ingredients. Feel free to add on the rest of the other vegetables that you'd really love to enjoy in these lentils. Lentils are, so common in the Middle East countries because, they make soups out of these lentils. They are full of proteins, they are full of fiber, and they are full of very many nutrients. So, like you can see, once our lentils are done, like once they are soft, we add in the rest of these other ingredients that we have, chopped, and then you add them, and we are going to cook until they are also soft before we go on. But like you can see there, they are already soft, like literally just 5 minutes of cooking these lentils, they are already done, they are already soft. But if you are going to use a different kind of lentils, then do not expect them to be ready to be soft at the same time. Like these red and split lentils, these are kind of different. They are light, like when you touch them, they are light and they have no skin. So like you can see there, once your ingredients are soft, to this I add some Reiko, or you can add any tube of your choice. You can add any curry powder of your choice that you'd really love to taste in this, or just use the rest of the other spices. They're just enough for someone who may not be able to access this Reiko thing. So cook for like more 5 to 10 minutes, and then before you are done, you press that on the side, and in the pan we heat up some oil. To that we add some chumani seeds, we add some garlic and ginger paste, and then you heat up all that for like 2 to 3 minutes. You can as well, if you have some curry leaves, if you have some red chili, you can add it all up. But because I was preparing this meal and we are going to enjoy it with the kids, and they do not like spiced stuff, so I had to leave certain things out. But feel free to do it in whichever way, spicing up depending on the spices that you would really love to enjoy in this lentil stew. So once we are done, once they have browned just a little bit, we pour them into our lentil stew that we have already prepared. And just like that, before you know it, your sauce is ready and you are good to go. It is so simple. Like you can see, in less than like 15 minutes, you are good to go. You are done, and you cook for like 2 to 3 minutes and you are ready to go. To my returning subscriber, thanks for keeping keeping it on Ugandan Kitchen. Thanks for the love and the support. Thanks for liking, sharing, and subscribing, and letting me know what you think about my videos in the comment section. So to that, we garnish with some coriander leaves, and just like that, you cook 2 to 3 minutes and you are good to go, and you set your sauce at the side. You can have this with the rice, you can have it with some ugali, you can have it with, if you are from Uganda, some steamed matoke, some potatoes, depending on whichever way you would love to have it. And it also goes well with chapati. So it is thick, and it tastes just like peas. So you can have it as a soup, you can have it as a stew, depending. So today I'm going to be preparing this semolina flour. I'm going to be mingling it, I'm going to be cooking it in just like the way you prepare fufu, ugali. So that is how we are going to be preparing it, and we are going to be enjoying it with these lentils. So semolina flour, it is a wheat flour, just like the all-purpose flour that we use in our baking and all that. The only difference it is that it is in coarse particles. It is not in those that fine and small particles like that of the wheat flour that we use in baking. It is in coarse particles, just like you can, like the way you feel the maize flour, that is how it feels when you touch it. So, but it has gluten in it, so it is from wheat, and it is in coarse particles, just like the maize flour. So, like you can see there, you just cook up some water, and then you start cooking it, just like the way we cook ugali, fufu. Yeah, so just like that, I hope you like the video. Kindly help me grow by subscribing to the channel, like and share. Let me know what you think about the video in the comment section, and let me know where you are watching from. So if it is your first time on the channel, you are welcome to. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like and share. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. So semolina can be got here in Uganda from maybe big supermarkets and Middle East shopping centers, but it is not so common. So yeah, you have to look for it in some big supermarkets. Also, you can use it for making other desserts. It is so common in Middle East countries, and it is used for making cakes, for making desserts, for making sweets, for making semen, and more other recipes. So that is how I served my lunch, and it was so tasty. You can just squeeze a little bit of lemon juice to enhance the taste buds, and you are good to go. I hope you like the video. Subscribe, like, and share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Let me know where you're watching from. Until next time, thanks for watching.